Hey guys, today I'm gonna talk about my super simple hair routine. Hey guys, welcome back to Gent's Lounge. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that right now. We are trying to make it to 100K. Today I'm going to talk about my super simple new hair routine because I did a video in the past that was my old hair routine. My hair used to be a lot longer, so I went with something a little shorter, skin fade on the sides and then just a couple inches on top, which is a lot easier for me in the morning. So today I'm gonna show you kind of how I do that. And right now, literally, I just got out of the shower, towel dried my hair, and then brushed it into this position. And honestly, it doesn't even look that bad right now. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to wet my hair like it was still damp and towel dried. So, nice and damp right now. So all I'm gonna do is take some of this guy right here, this Victory Crown Slick Pomade. From my buddy Anthony up in Sacramento. This stuff is great because like some pomades, it doesn't get super hard unless your hair is like soaking wet when you put it on. That's why I do it a little damp, because it gives me a little bit of shine, but I can still move my hair around throughout the day. So you're not even gonna need that much, just like a little dollop on the finger, and then just kind of, you know, work it around a little bit. And then all I do is just kind of work it through. And what I'm doing is just running my fingers through the direction that I want it to go and trying to use all the pomade on my hands. And then what you want to do is just kind of get in there with a comb, you know, get the side part how you want it. A little bit of this right here. And the screen is very small, so I cannot see exactly how good it is. Let me go consult a mirror real quick. I'll be right back. All right guys, so it looks pretty good. If you guys want like this really good slick look, you can use the comb throughout. But if you want it to look a little more disheveled, just, you know, kind of run your fingers through here a little bit. I do like to take just a little finger of it and just kind of push these little stragglers down, because sometimes they stick up. But other than that, that is what, 5 minutes maybe. Really helps my morning routine. I can do my hair a lot quicker now. I used to have to bust out a blow dryer, get all the things going, and now it is much simple, sleek. I think it actually makes my face look a little thinner because I took down the sides. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. I know it seems pretty simple, but if you get your hair cut right, then your hairstyling is a lot easier in the morning. Because, you know, if you have super long hair, your hair's out of whack, you got to put gel in all these places to keep it together. But if your hair is cut the way it should be for your head, which your barber should know, it'll be a lot easier in the morning. So if you guys want to check out the pomade I was using, I'll put a link to it down below. But this is good stuff and it lasts forever. So thanks for watching guys. Be sure to subscribe, like us on Instagram at Gent's Lounge, hashtag your pictures, hashtag Gent's Lounge. Leave us a little scissor emoji on Instagram if you guys saw this video. Once again, thanks for watching guys. Hope this was helpful. If you want to see more hair tutorials or more hair tips and tricks, comment them down below. Let me know what you guys want to see and we will put them out. Thanks guys.